So what's our plan today, my cousins? How are you keen to attack this one?
Should we take it individually first and see how that goes?
Yeah, hard.
In a kararu haere, we'll jump in at the
Shift that note along. Ko te waiata anga taina tuakana Tuari, ko He Hōnore nui. Mo wai parapara marae tērā ki roto Tokomaru, ana ko te Poho Te Tikanga, te ingo te whare ringa tū, whare whakapono. Hoi no e whare I pupuri I ngā taonga o te Hokowhitu atu, tērā kapa haka tahito a tātai. Me, sounds like a plan. Indeed. Right, Robbie? You have your tūru? Warp speed.
Our connection to the song, or Hokinga Mahara Tamato Papa, is lucky enough to be around when they composed the song. I te taho Tauira Takurua. So we were all a part of the diamond, Te Hokowhitu atu back in the day, and our old man put the guitar arrangement together.
I remember waking up in the morning to our mother doing her opera warm-ups. Every morning at 7:30, all you can hear is mum doing her, you know, so that was just instilled into us. Yeah. And at the same time, we had Māori artists like Ruia and Whiri Mako Northern actually sending music to mum, coming to the whare to have wānanga with mum. So we were constantly surrounded by music, whether it was a musical instrument, a musical sound, or a musical person. And all these different things actually catered to us, you know. And it's now that we're finally, ko taka te kapa. It's like, oh wow, all these things that we took for granted is actually allowing us to walk this ara we're walking now.
Our mum put us through music school when we were young. Even though we didn't want to go, we still kind of went. But look at the fruits from that. At the same time, we did a lot of family singing together at church, and definitely kapa haka as well.
On both sides, I think we're fortunate enough that they're both musically gifted. I think drawing on both of those aspects, growing up and seeing it all happen right in front of our face, we just took, you know, and added to the basket.
Just that one just before it. Yeah, that part.
Ko te tikanga o te waiatara ki a ngātu a te whakaro ki te wāhingaro. Ki a ngātu te ngākau, te puku o te tangata ki te wāhingaro. Ki te ao wairua. Hei aha, hei whakatika mai pia. I ngā āhuatanga o te ao kiko. Ana, mō ngā mea o te Hokowhitu atu, ko waiparapara marae tērā. Ana, ko te Poho Te Tikanga. Tērā o ngā whare, te huarahi ki reira.
My fondest memory of this waiata is actually watching it live when Te Hokowhitu atu made it into the top 6, 2005. On the chorus part there, Te Poho, there's a shot of our father, and he's jamming the guitar, and he's right in the middle of the ladies and the men, but he's just got this big grin, he's got that smile on, you know, and that, I remember watching it in our grandparents' house, just watching it on TV, like, whoa, there's Dad. Like,
It was like that, eh?
What?
It was.
They made top 6, what? They come third, what? Hey, it was that momo āhua, bro, for me, yeah.
whakaro that were being a part of is actually a beautiful thing that's been made. And it's surreal. I can't really explain the feeling of knowing that we're putting a little fingerprint on the now for the future, and it's just honoured.
Honoured, yeah.
How did that sound to you?
Yeah, you heard the timing. You just seemed a bit hesitant when you came in. So a bit like a good.
The He Hōnore.
Yeah, coming strong.
Yeah.
You got it.
Challenges, not having time to be able to sit with each other, I suppose, before going into the studio and actually
Locking in.
locking in as the three of us.
Punonga kōrero. Today was the first time we actually were together to practice. We had half an hour.
I think the process is just whakapono, I suppose, believing in who's in that booth and then jumping in and then smashing it.
Yeah.
Being comfortable with one another.
Okay, so, all right, here we go.
I also think dropping that lead down first out of the three parts definitely made it easier for
Foundation,
it was a foundation to follow off.
And we're just really fortunate that we know how to sing with each other. Yeah. We have a great feel with each other. We can anticipate when someone's going to come in. So it's, oh, catch that. We're just lucky we understand each other's dynamics.
Getting put on the spot,
and just each other's vibes and how to push, you know. So not one of us is going to be banging, 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 and the other two, we feel those vibes out so that it's a trio, it's a trilogy, it's a trinity.
The chemistry is there.
Ki te